Welcome back guys with a new video. This video is about how to generate QR code for services. QR code frequently used to track product information in supply chain. Its main purpose to target the audience efficiently without sharing the personal links and personal details. So in this video, we will create amazing and attractive QR code for our services in just free without any buy software and without any extension. Let's start the video. For start the video, simple open your browser and write here QR code. When you write here QR code, then simply press enter. When you press enter, then multiple sites will appear. Just select QR code monkey website. So I will open it into new tab. Now it's a time to create amazing and eye-catching QR code for my service. In this tutorial I will show you just demo for create a QR code in just free. So I will create QR code here about YouTube. So now I will open a new tab for pasted the link in link session. So I have opened new tab. Now I will copy the URL of YouTube and paste it into QR code monkey website for generate the QR code of YouTube. So simply I have copied. Now I will paste it into URL session. After paste the URL, then simple scroll down and click on create QR code button. When you click on create QR button, then it will generate a simple aesthetic QR code for your customer. Now it's a time to customize the QR code. For customize the design, click on set color and enable the color gradient and custom eye color option. Then you can set any color according to your choice. Now you can see I am creating a QR code about YouTube. I am trying to adding red color in QR code with body structure and eye shape. So simply I have selected these color. Now click on create QR code button. Now you can see it generate amazing QR code in different color. Now I will change the little bit design or color in the structure. So simply you can see I have shuffled the color in eyes. Now I click on create QR code button. After clicking on create QR code button, then you can see the color of eye have changed. Now I will insert a logo in QR code. So for insert the logo, enable this option and click any random logo. Then click on this option remove background behind logo. Then simply click on create QR code button again. Now you can see the logo have insert into QR code. Now I will customize the design of QR code. For customize the design of QR code, scroll down and click on customize design option. When you click on customize design option, then it will show you multiple opinions about design. Now I have enabled the customization design option and select this template. Now click on create QR code button. Then you can see the design of QR code have changed. Now I will change the shape or frame of eye. So I will click on this template. After clicking on this template, then click on create QR code button. Now you can see the frame of eye have changed. Now I will change the shape of eye. So I have clicked on circle, then click on create QR code button. Then you can see the eye shape have changed. Now I will download it. For download the design, you can choose PNG format because it is based on pixels high quality. So we need to download the design in PNG that I can share the design with our customer in high quality. Now I will show you how it's look like. Now I will open it. For open, show in folder. Now I will click on the image to show you how it's look like. It's really looking amazing and attractive. Now you can share this QR code with your customers.